Hey guys, welcome. I was still on my vacation at Clio, but I saw an Spectrum post. And this post is extremely important. So I have to break my vacation and talk about this. And after I read this post, I had this genuine concern, which is in the title of this video. Will Star Citizen 1.0's insurance policy make this game a pay-to-win game? For some of you, this is a no-brainer question because you would say, oh, Star Citizen is already a pay-to-win game. But in my opinion, Star Citizen is a crowdfunding development. It's not a game yet. When Star Citizen 1.0 comes in, things will change. And this is where my genuine concern comes from. But in order to get to my genuine concern, we need to first understand what CIG means exactly for the insurance policy for our ships in Star Citizen 1.0. Now let's begin.
Insurance, on the other hand, will be split between medical insurance, which covers your hospital imprints, and the most important one of all, ship insurance.
So by that statement, during CitizenCon, we know insurance in Star Citizen divided into two main parts, medical insurance and vehicle insurance. And the thing that we care most is vehicle insurance. And according to this post, we have two categories for the vehicle insurance. One is in-game purchased or created vehicles. And the second main category is vehicles attributed through the website and not earned in-game, which you can say your pledged vehicles. First, let's look at what CIG says about in-game purchased or created vehicle insurance. Number one, which is unchanged plan. You can choose to purchase insurance that will last for varying durations. So we can purchase insurances in-game with in-game money. And we have the option to purchase insurances for different durations. 1 month, 12 months, 10 years, or I don't know, maybe lifetime. Next, level 1 is chassis and original. Purchase include. So as far as I understand this, after reading 1,000 times, level 1 insurance is it covers your chassis of the ship and also the stock components. Number 3, if your vehicle is destroyed without insurance, it is lost forever, period. That's it. Very simple. Without insurance, your in-game purchase vehicle, once it's destroyed, it's gone. You have to repurchase it or rebuild it. But there will be ways to track its duration in-game when the system is implemented and a warning when you summon your vehicle if it is without active insurance. The choice to operate without insurance will be deliberate, very noticeable, and entirely yours. It's very simple. If you want to operate this vehicle without insurance, it will warn you. Wow, this is a great 30th century technology because when I drive my car, if I don't have insurance, it will not warn me. But the police will, and they will more than warn me. So that is good. Point number 4, future new additional option. Level 2, I think is level 2 insurance, adds custom components coverage to chassis. This is new and cool and especially important in the universe with massive crafting options and will be addable in-game. Okay, so this option you can purchase in-game, and level 2 insurance will not only cover your chassis, but it will cover your custom-made components. Simple, no explanation. But I think the higher the level of the insurance, the more expensive it is. Point number 5 is level 3 insurance. Adds coverage to all your upcoming ship decorations as well, and still includes chassis and custom components, which is awesome and will be addable in-game. So this option, I wonder if it will include the custom paints for your ship as well. Also including the interior decorations. You put a plant there, you drop a water bottle, you drop a coin, or your dead bodies. Maybe we don't go that far, but this is what it means. Point number 6, it says new implementation. Just like in much of the real world, in Star Citizen 1.0, vehicle insurances at each level will pay out appropriate credit value for your destroyed vehicle chassis, components, and decoration instead of replacing your vehicle outright. Wow, this is extremely important. Star Citizen 1.0 vehicle insurances at each level, means level 1, 2, or 3, will pay out appropriate credit value for your destroyed vehicle and chassis component decorations. What does it mean is they only pay out in monetary amount. It's just like in the real world, when your car is totaled and then you go to the insurance company will pay you only the money amount. be careful, don't get underwater, but in Star Citizen 1.0, insurance only pays out the amount of money for your chassis, components, and decorations. It does not give you a new ship. Okay, next point. There will also be separate in-game earnable warranties that can attach to any vehicle so that when it is destroyed and you have insurance, you will receive the covered assets back instead of the credit value. This is intended as a nice convenience so you don't have to go spending the time reacquiring anything, and these warranties will be things you can work towards and earn through gameplay if you are inclined. Extremely important. If you understand this, perfect. So you not only have to have the specific level of insurance, you also must have the in-game earnable warranties that you attach to this particular vehicle that is going to get destroyed. For example, if your C1 Spirit doesn't have the warranty but have the insurance, once it's destroyed, you only get the money back. You don't get the ship back. You have to rebuild it or repurchase it. But if you have the warranty, you can reclaim it, but you don't get the money back. So that's what it is saying.
Losing your ship should be significant. Right now, for example, over 90% of all claims in the verse are for ships that have not been destroyed.
Yeah, 90% of the claims of the ship that is not destroyed. Yes, that might be true, but know this. 90% of those 90% of those ships are actually bugged in the current state of the game. So that's why we have to reclaim them. And the other 10% is for someone who is doing science and fun videos, and he or she has to destroy that ship. Hopefully when 1.0 comes, we don't have those situations that we have no choice but to reclaim our ship.
And this is where ship insurance and our new warranty mechanic comes in. Insurance by itself will only pay out credits. Insurance with a warranty, though, will give you back a new ship, plus any other equipment or decorations based on the tier of insurance you had.
What he just said is exactly what's written here. Insurance with a warranty, it will give you back a new ship according to the level of insurance you purchased. So that is very clear now. And now, what about the pledged ships and vehicles? Let's move on to the next category. Vehicles attributed through the website and not earned in-game. The first point, all insurance will last for varying durations. Level 1 is chassis and original, so it's the same. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3 for the pledged ships insurance is the same. But the third point is this. Start from here. If your vehicle is destroyed without insurance, the intention is that there will be an additional in-game cost to cover it. But it remains on your account and accessible forever. Okay, so if you don't have insurance for your pledged ships or the insurance expired, you don't lose that ship. The ship remains on your account forever. All you need to do is pay additional in-game cost, and then you can claim it. Point number 4, lifetime duration, which is LTI. LTI insurance means you never have to bother with renewing it in-game. If you have LTI, the insurance part, you don't have to worry about it. But the question is, what level of insurance? When you have LTI, you will automatically have level 3 or only level 2 or level 1. If the LTI only covers level 1 insurance, do you have to pay extra to get level 2 or level 3? That is my question. So continue. All other durations are intended to be renewed through in-game means once the system is fully implemented. Okay, so if you only have like a 12 months insurance, 10 years insurance for your pledged ships, don't worry about it. You can purchase insurance in-game. This has always been chassis and stock components, meaning it is level 1 insurance with a lifetime duration. Alright, here answers my question earlier. So, lifetime insurance only give you level 1 insurance. That's it. And next point is level 2 adds custom components coverage to the chassis. Well, it's the same. Level 3 adds coverage to all your upcoming ship decorations, and still includes chassis and custom component, which is awesome and will be addable in-game. Okay, so it will be addable in-game for both level 2 and level 3. That's very clear now. When you have LTI insurance, the LTI insurance only comes with level 1. You have to pay extra money in-game in order to upgrade that LTI to level 2 and level 3.
All ships bought on the pledge store will come with a permanent warranty and their appropriate insurance.
So now it is very clear. For all pledged ships, you will have a permanent warranty for every single ship. So you don't have to get this warranty and apply for this ship, for that ship, for that ship. You have a permanent warranty for every single ship, plus the appropriate insurance attributed to your ship. Okay, now the big difference between these two, regardless of whether you have lifetime duration or 1 month or 10 years or anything else between or beyond, if you have a vehicle attributed through the website, means pledged ships, every one of them, regardless of its insurance duration, will also have an automatic permanent warranty that guarantees you will always get your chassis and stock components back instead of credits. Okay, so this is exactly what we talk about. Provided you are also within the duration of your original insurance or have renewed it in-game to keep it active, or pay the additional premium cost to recovering it mentioned in my edit above. So this statement is also very clear. Permanent warranty for every single one of your pledged ships. As long as the insurance is not expired, you will get your chassis and the stock components back. But if your insurance is expired and you lost the ship, you just pay the premium cost to recover it. Next point, if you add on to your level 1 insurance with level 2 or level 3 in-game, your permanent warranty will recover the custom components and in-game vehicle decoration respectively instead of credits. This effectively means there is no functional difference at all to the pledge insurance as you've always known it, but you will now benefit from the addition of new in-game add-ons and that let you cover your custom components and decorations as well. Okay, special edition pledge insurance note. Adding additional in-game level 2 or level 3 insurance does not invalid your existing level 1 pledge insurance. Okay? Which means if you purchase level 3 insurance for a LTI ship, but the level 3 insurance you purchase in game expired, it doesn't mean your LTI level 1 insurance expired. You just have to repurchase that level 3 insurance. Otherwise, you'll be getting the level 1 insurance treatment. You will not invalidate your existing insurance by engaging in this new system designed to bring additional functionality and comfort to all players. Thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. Great, great, great. The bottom line, once again, this system is an evolution of our intended implementation, adding additional functionalities and comfort to our players. Comforts? Really? Adding comforts to our players while maintaining every functionality that has ever been detailed. Alright, so that's all the information from this Spectrum post that we digested. Now, let's go back to the in-game purchase and created vehicle about this warranty thing. This is very key because majority of Star Citizen players will only have a starter pack. They want to earn those vehicles in-game, which they will rely heavily on the warranties because insurance you can buy in-game, but warranties you have to earn it. So let's see what CitizenCon says about this.
This means you will always get your ships back if they're attributed to your account. Other ships, on the other hand, will require a transferable warranty, and these are rare. You'll be able to earn transferable warranties in-game, such as by completing the main story, as an example, and apply them to any of the ships you own. But there will be a cooldown for transferring it between ships, so choose wisely. What about claim timers? Well, we want claim timers.
So what this message means is for the in-game purchase or created ships, you have a transferable warranty, which cannot be simply purchased. Let's go back to the post. So first of all, other ships require transferable warranty, and they are rare. Transferable warranties can be earned in-game. It says earned, didn't say purchased. Apply to any ship you own. And transferring has a cooldown. So this transferable warranty added 3 limitations to your in-game purchase or build ship. First limitation is it requires a warranty to claim back your ship. Number one. Number two, these warranties are very rare and it can't be purchased in-game. You have to earn it. Maybe this is a good thing because it encourages you to do more gameplays. And number three is this transferable warranty has a cooldown. When you transfer to one ship, next hour you want to use the next ship. I don't know the timer, but there is a cooldown. It's counted by hours or by days? That is my question. So understanding all this now goes back to my original concern. Will Star Citizen 1.0 becomes a pay-to-win game? Because, for example, I built an Idris in-game. I forgot the insurance and I don't have warranties. I lost it. It's gone. But if I have an Idris in my pledge store, I can simply pull it out. I don't care if it's a stock component or not. I can choose to purchase level 3 insurance. And of course, the Idris will have a LTI. Who purchased an Idris without LTI, right? That's unthinkable. So that's given. The Idris I purchased has an LTI. I can just pull it up in-game and use it, and if it's destroyed, and of course, the claim timer is going to be long. But I don't have to go through all these purchase or earn, blueprint, or build, gather resources to build a ship, all that process. That's just an example. So this makes me worry. The problem is, how restrictive will the warranty be once Star Citizen 1.0 comes? Because the more restrictive the warranty and insurance policy is for the real game, the more harder it is for players to earn or reclaim their ships. And then this game, to my opinion, might become a pay-to-win game because in order to claim your ship faster, you would have to spend real money. I doubt at that time the pledge store is going to be taking down the sales. Probably all the ships going to be on sale 24/7. I don't know. So I'm not saying it is a pay-to-win, but this is my genuine concern. And this concern is open to disagreements, criticism, and discussion because we still have at least a year before we reach Star Citizen 1.0, right? We still have time. So that's it, guys. My purpose for this video, to make you understand what CIG intended for the insurance and warranty system for Star Citizen 1.0 and address my genuine concern. Tell me what you think, and thank you.